Hello students, good morning to all. Today we will be studying chapter 11 of grammar and the name of the chapter is conjunctions. A conjunction is a word used for joining words, phrases or sentences. There are three examples given over here of joining words, phrases and sentences. We will see those examples first. In the first example, two words, fruits and vegetables, are joined by a conjunction and. In the second example, two phrases, at home and at school, are joined together using the conjunction. In the third example, I bought apples, he got bananas, is joined by a conjunction and. There are many conjunctions, but here we shall deal with only four of them. Some common examples of conjunctions are unless, and, while, or, where, but, even, because, yet, etc. In this chapter, we will be learning only four conjunctions, and that are and, but, or, and because. First, let us start with and but. We use and to join two related things or actions. કંઈ પણ બે રિલેટેડ વસ્તુઓને જોઈન કરવા માટે and યુઝ થાય. Let us see the first example. They ate bread, they drank milk. બચ્ચાઓએ શું કીધું એ બે સેન્ટેન્સીસ આપેલા છે. હવે એ બે સેન્ટેન્સીસને જોઈન કરવા તમે and યુઝ કરશો. They ate bread and drank milk. બે સેન્ટેન્સીસ હતા અલગ અલગ, તેને એન્ડથી જોઈન કરી નાખ્યા. સેકન્ડ એક્ઝામ્પલ, Rosie washed the clothes, Pinky put them away. Rosie washed the clothes and Pinky put them away. Again, these two sentences are joined by using the conjunction and. We need not repeat the subject if it is in the same in both the sentences, but if the subjects are different, we have to mention each. Subject એટલે જે main character છે જેના પર sentence dependent છે. In the first example, they was the main subject. They ate the bread and they drank the milk. So while joining those sentences with the conjunction, they was written only once because it was a common subject. In the second example, the two sentences had Rosie and Pinky. In that sentences, the subject was different. Therefore, Rosie and Pinky were both used separately in the sentence. Now, let us move on to but. We use but to join two contrasting ideas or actions. But is used to join two different ideas or actions. For in the first example, Simran went to the market. She didn't buy anything. Simran went to the market but didn't buy anything. These both sentences are used with but. She went to the market but she didn't buy anything. In the second example, the teacher called Rahul. Rahul didn't come. The teacher called Rahul but he didn't come. Two different sentences, two different actions or ideas are joined by using the conjunction but. Now let us see the conjunction or. We use or to join two sentences offering a choice. Whenever you have two choices and you have to join those two sentences, or is used as a conjunction. Let us see the first example. You can fly, you can go by train. In this sentence, there are two choices. That either the person can go by flight or he can go by train. So, after joining with the conjunction, the sentence will be you can fly or go by train. In this example, again the subject is same. You is used in both the sentences. So, when we join the sentences by using the conjunction, you is used only once. Now let us see the second example. I can't sing, I can't play the guitar. I can't sing or play the guitar. I is the common subject, so I is used only once. And there are two choices about singing and playing guitar. And the last one, we have the conjunction because. We use because when one sentence gives the reason for the other. I was tired, I wanted some rest. I wanted some rest because I was tired. Because I was tired, I wanted some rest. When there are two sentences given to you in which one sentence is the reason for the other one, at that time because is used as a conjunction. It was very hot. I opened the window. I opened the window because it was very hot. Or the second way we can write it as because it was very hot, I opened the window. Again, these two sentences are related to each other. That I opened the window because it was very hot. So the conjunction because is used in this. I hope the students have understood what are conjunctions and its four words which we studied in this chapter today. Thank you. Goodbye.